Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys have had an awesome day trading. It's a little bit harder to say that over the last few days to week or so. Market's really been hit hard. At least my portfolio has been hit hard over the last week or so. I can see here again today in the red, down $234.09, representing 1.18% of my overall portfolio. A little bit more loss with after hours trading. The three major indices today were all down, not quite as much as my portfolio, but down in a significant fashion. Nasdaq was down 0.93%, S&P 500 was down 0.65%, and the Dow 30 was down almost 78 points, down 0.43%. And really, for my portfolio, I was down from market open to close. So not a good day in any respect. As I scroll through my portfolio, my different market sectors here, you can see a lot of red representing stocks that have closed lower than they did yesterday. A few stocks in the green, but for the most part, a downtrend overall. No one market sector did well today, at least for my portfolio here. Of note, my Ford, one of my largest holdings I have in my particular portfolio here, again trended down 1.81%, lost $155.50. Overall return, you can see there, not a great number, negative 495.73, 6.56%. Still a little bit disgruntled with myself for making this play. I had sort of pledged or made a commitment not to put any more money into the market until the election was over, until the federal interest rate hike went through. But I jumped into Ford, trying to get a dividend payment. You can see that on the bottom here, scheduled for payment on December 1st, 93.30, representing about 5% or so at that time of the stock's value. Thought it was a good play, but again, I sort of violated one of my investing strategies. Came back to bite me, down 6.56%. I did get a nice dividend payment, but really not worth that loss there. I think in the end, this will trend up nicely. I'll actually make a profit probably by early next year, but in the meantime, this is a stock that's going to be dragging down my overall portfolio. It's kind of hard to incorporate that big a loss with that big of holding. And with regards to my overall withholding, 7,000 out of 20,000. That's a big ding on my overall portfolio. But we'll hold that one long. And overall, my pharmaceuticals as well did not do so well. Portola here. I'm not sure what's going on with this stock. This has now hit a 52-week low. You can see today's intermarket trading down 17.62 at one point, which, like I said, represents a 52-week low. I really haven't found any information on why this is trending down so vigorously here. Last month, 21.96%. That's even apart from this, downtrend here. In here, after a couple of its products were not approved by the FDA. So I'm not exactly sure why this is continuing to trend down here. If anything, it should be trending up because the company has had some more study data out that's really saying that their products, the products that are in the pipeline, are very good drugs and they should be approved by the FDA. So something that I'm missing. I'm not quite sure if anybody has an idea about that. Again, it's a smaller biotech company. I'm sure a lot of you guys don't have that in your portfolios, but yeah, between that and Ford, that's really accounting for a lot of my losses so far. It's really all I wanted to talk about today. As you guys know, the Cubs are playing tonight, so I definitely want to check that game out. Hopefully I can see that live. I currently don't have cable TV in my home. I think it's kind of a waste of money and time, but when events like this pop up, it's always nice to have that at home. But I think I'll probably call up a few buddies, see if I can't go to their places. If not, hit a sports bar somewhere. Should be an awesome game. Game 7 of the World Series. Interesting stat I did find was that investors should be rooting for the Cubs. One article I came across was mentioning the fact that the last World Series for the Cubs was 1908. After the Cubs won that World Series, a negative market up to that point actually turned positive 8% in the next month following that. The last time the Cleveland Indians were in the World Series. 1948 had a pretty strong market before the World Series. After they won, the month following, the market went down 4.9%. So if history repeats itself here, I think we should all be rooting for the Cubs. At least I know I will be on a number of different wavelengths, if you will. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my portfolio here. Like I said, I'm cutting this short. I definitely want to see the game tonight. If you guys have any ideas for the last week before the election here, let me know. As you guys know, the election will be taking Tuesday next week, November 8th. Hopefully there's some better data out there for Hillary Clinton winning the election. It looks like that the more likely, or the more the market thinks that Donald Trump has a chance, the more the markets trend down. So I hope this is kind of taken care of itself in the next couple days here. I think Hillary Clinton's going to win. I think the markets will rebound after that. But having said that, it's been a rough couple of weeks here. I've been losing quite a bit of money. I know a lot of you guys have been as well through some of the comment discussions. So hopefully we can get this election behind us and make some money moving forward. So again, just wanted to do a quick video here updating my portfolio. I'm going to check out the Cubs game, root those guys on, and if you like my videos, as always, like, share, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Again, this is about learning, so if there's any pointers that you can give me, greatly appreciate it. If you're learning anything from these videos, awesome. If anybody has a topic or a discussion point to go over, let me know. I'll put out a video about that. So, yeah, again, see you guys next video, and let's go Cubs.